it's Mena. Welcome back to my channel, or if this is the very first video that you're seeing of me, then welcome to my channel. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you didn't already. I post Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And today in this video, I'm going to talk about my top 5 colors of nail polish for the summer. So I got requested to do this video. I actually was scrolling through my YouTube channel and someone sent me a message asking if I could make a top 5 nail polish colors for the summer. So these are colors that I personally think are great for the summer for nail polishes, and I thought this would be a really fun video to make. And if you guys have watched my YouTube channel, you know that I used to wear nail polish all the time. I don't really wear it anymore just because it's like your nails get ruined when you put them on your hands and then you have to put them on your feet, and I just don't wear it because because also I heard it wearing nail polish every single week is not good for your nails. But I don't know why I just got out of the habit after I got a job at a restaurant, because when you work at a restaurant you're not really supposed to wear nail polish unless it's gel. So anyway, I'm going to talk about some of my favorite colors I like to wear for nail polish. And if you don't wear nail polish and you don't like nail polish, that's totally fine. You can still watch this video in case you want to get into it later on. So I'm going to get started, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Number 1.
So number 1 on my list would have to be pink. So a hot pink. So I love hot pink. If you guys watch my channel, you know that pink is my favorite color. Well, obviously you can tell because my whole room's pink. I love hot pink because it's just nice and bright and it gives you that fresh like summer vibe, and it's just really fun to wear on your nails because it's just really, really good because it's nice, bright color for the summer.
Number 2.
Number 2 on my list would have to be Caribbean blue. So I like Caribbean blue because it's nice and bright as well. It kind of reminds me almost of the ocean, but except it's a brighter blue color than the ocean actually is. It's just really pretty and I just love it. And it gets you in the mood for the summer, and just blue is a nice color, especially for the summertime.
Number 3.
Number 3 on my list would have to be bright yellow, but only if you can find one that's not sheer. So I hear yellow nail polishes are hard to find that are like nice and bright and opaque. Okay, because I've heard a couple people who have tried some yellow nail polishes. Maybe it was just the brand or something, but I heard some yellow nail polishes don't actually come out yellow. They come out more sheer and you could hardly see them. So yellow's a nice bright color because it makes you think of the sun, and the summer you see the sun a lot. So yellow is a great color, but just make sure you find a nice yellow that's very bright and it's very like, I think it's opaque. That's the word I'm looking for on your nails. Nothing that's sheer where you can't even see it.
Number 4.
Number 4 on my list would have to be bright orange. So I love bright orange because that also is really good for the summertime and it brightens up your nails and stuff, especially on a super hot day. And orange is a really good color, especially not only is it for fall, but it's also great for summer, especially if it's a really bright orange, because bright colors really make a good pop on your nails.
Number 5.
Number 5, finally on my list, is neon pink. So I saved the best for last. So if you guys know me, you know I love pink. It's like one of my favorite colors. So I love neon pink because I love how bright it is. I love how it really brings that really nice pop of color to your nails, and it's really, really pretty. So neon pink is like really one of my favorite colors, especially for the summertime, just because it really just adds that nice bright vibe to your nails. In summer, it's bright. It's a really bright season, so it's perfect for the summertime. So those are my top 5 nail polish colors for the summer. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I post Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye!
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then feel free to give it a thumbs up and tap subscribe.